Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today, as you see by the thumbnail, we're going to talk about this Titanic kit. So I'll get it pulled up here and we'll have a look at it. So to start things off, I actually built this very small micro brick dozer, and it was in this kit as you saw before, and these are truly micro bricks, and I'll get a little bit closer here with these are the leftover bricks from the Titanic kit. And if I can pull out I'll pull out a 4x4 stud, which is right here. This is a 4x4 stud, and you can see how tiny that 4x4 stud is. And you also get a brick removal and placing tool with it, and it's also very tiny. So these are called micro bricks. This Titanic kit has 1,860 parts in it, and they really refer to it as nano blocks, and they are nano blocks. And it's designed for 14 plus, and it's available on Amazon for $55.97 plus tax and shipping if you don't have a Prime account. This came to me via way of my wife. She bought it for one of the grandsons for Christmas. It didn't show up on time. She got him something else, and she gave me this kit. So we'll do a little bit of a walk around of the kit, and then we'll take the camera and maybe do a couple of stills or do a moving thing to music of the Titanic. The instructions are like so. They open up like this, and there's 18 different steps. They are very difficult really to follow on here. So yeah, that's another thing, especially when you get into the black parts in here. The lines that separate the bricks are very hard to tell. So that's one of the drawbacks of this. And again, being nano bricks, they are very, very, very small. So they're really, really, really tough to work with. So I'll get the kit up here, and we'll do a little bit of a review on the kit, and then I'll do a video walk around with some music to it. So here we have the completed Titanic model, and you can see it's got the four masts, or sorry, the four smokestacks, and the two masts. Again, it's on a bit of a water base with ice in the water, and you can see this giant iceberg at the front right here that the Titanic is going to eventually run into. The gray pieces here represent the lifeboats. And again, this is 1,867 nano pieces. They are, a lot of them, very difficult to put together. Some of the pieces in here, as you can see, are extremely tiny. And without that special tool, you'd never get these together. So, what do I think of this kit? First of all, it sits on a base of about 22 inches long and about 3.5 inches wide. Again, it is very time consuming and really actually for being a seasoned Lego builder, it's pretty difficult to put together. Very tiny parts, like they said, they're nano parts, recommended for ages 14 plus. I wouldn't think a 14-year-old could really put this together all that well if they've never built Lego before. If they built a substantial amount of Lego in the past, I think a 14-year-old could probably put this together, but there's a lot of little things that goes on with this kit that are repetitive and tedious, that that make it a little bit more difficult to put together. They do use a little bit of a cool knuckle joint that mounts the smokestacks on here to get them to tilt to the right angle. So that was a pretty neat trick. It's a very well used small parts. So again, 1,867 parts. And would I recommend this to anybody? Well, if you don't want to spend the $800 to buy the large 9,000 part Lego kit of the Titanic, then this just might be the kit for you. I do have the big Titanic, so I'm looking forward to putting that together, and that's going to have a spot in the front room on a shelf once we get the front room redone here. But if you're looking for a small Titanic kit and you want to put a little bit of time into it, about a good day and a half to build it, for me, time well spent. So there we have the review on the Nano Brick Lego Titanic kit. I hope you enjoyed the fly around and the walk around of the kit to music. And like I said, if you're interested in building a Lego kit and don't want to spend the Lego money to buy the Lego kit, and you want something small to display on a shelf that's roughly 2 feet long and 3.5 inches wide, by all means order this from Amazon. It was roughly $60 and well worth it. So again, thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later. Bye now.